Tom, you look worried. What happened?
Ashley, I have a problem. A big problem.
Okay, tell me. What is it?
I went outside and I forgot my key.
You forget your key? Oh no.
Yes, I closed the door. Now the key is inside.
Oh, you locked yourself out?
Yes, I locked myself out. And it gets worse.
Worse. What do you mean?
My phone is also inside.
No key and no phone?
Exactly. I can't open the door. I can't call anyone.
What about your roommate?
He will come back tonight, very late.
So you can't go in Unital tonight?
Yes, what should I do?
Well, you have one free day now.
Free day? I feel nervous. No phone, no key.
Don't worry. Maybe this is a good thing.
A good thing? Really?
Yes, you can try one day without a phone.
One day without a phone? That sounds scary.
It can be fun. We can go out, we can see things.
Go out? Where can we go?
Let's start with the library.
The library? Okay, but how can we go?
We can take the bus.
The bus? But I need Uber. I need my phone.
Not today. Today we use the bus.
Okay, let's try. No phone, no key, just the bus.
Here we are. This is the bus stop for the library.
The bus stop for the library?
Yes, we wait here for the bus.
Okay, we wait here.
Look, the bus is coming now.
Good. I was getting nervous
Why nervous?
because without my phone, I don't know the time.
Yes, no phone means no clock.
Right. I usually check the bus time on my phone.
Today you learn another way.
Another way.
Yes, just look at the bus stop sign.
Look at the bus stop sign. Okay.
Now, let's get on the bus.
All right. Let's get on.
Say, 1 ticket to the library, please.
One ticket to the library, please.
Perfect. Now take the ticket.
Got it. One ticket to the library.
Good. Now, where should we sit?
Here or near the window?
I like the window seat.
Okay. Let's sit near the window.
Great. Sit down.
All right. Wow. It feels strange
Strange? Why?
because everyone is on the phone, but I have no phone.
Yes, many people just look at their phones.
I feel a little nervous. What should I do?
Look outside.
Look outside?
Yes, look at the trees, the buildings.
Okay. Oh, nice view.
Better than a small screen, right?
Yes, better than a small screen.
See, without a phone, you can see the world.
See the world. I like that.
And you can also talk to me.
Yes, talk to you.
not the phone.
Remember, we get off at the library stop.
We get off at the library stop, right?
Yes, that's right.
Okay, the library stop. Don't let me miss it.
Don't worry. I will tell you.
Good. Without my phone, I feel lost, but also free.
Lost and free. That's interesting.
Yes, it's new for me, but maybe it's good.
You're learning something today.
Yes, one day without a phone, it's not so bad.
Here we are. This is the library.
Wow, it's big and very quiet.
Yes, it's a quiet place for reading and studying.
Reading and studying. No noise?
Right. No noise. People come here to focus.
Focus? You mean to pay attention?
Exactly. To pay attention and learn.
Okay, I will try to focus too.
Good. Let's go inside.
All right, inside the library.
Look, so many books on the shelves.
Yes, so many. I don't know where to start.
Let's find something about cooking.
Cooking? In the library?
Yes, there are books for everything.
Everything? You mean also cooking?
Yes, cooking, travel, history, everything.
Wow, not only novels. That's new for me.
Here, let me take one book down.
Okay, one book about cooking.
Let's sit here by the window.
Nice table. The sunlight is warm.
Yes, it feels comfortable.
Comfortable. You mean good and easy?
Exactly. Good and easy.
All right. I like this comfortable place.
Now, look at this page. It explains a recipe.
Recipe. That's a plan for food, right?
Yes, a plan for food. A recipe.
Okay. I want to read the recipe slowly. Ashley, this is nice. I can read without my phone.
See, books can give full information.
Full information? Not just small pieces?
Right, not small pieces. Full and clear.
I feel calm. Very calm.
Yes, the library makes you calm.
Now, I enjoy reading. I really enjoy it.
That's great, Tom. You see the difference now.
Yes, I see it. No phone, just books.
Exactly.